asomo jumbe webunge ya North Mugirango Mheshimiwa Joash Nyamuko hanyara ko bakagwe sokia na konyara ko bakagwa kakoenekia homoroberi obugo chakwa gukwa gachoko University asensemo ya Kyabonyoru aseba ona sabira amenye bekinsemecho ya North Mugirango na bege county ngimanyamira banyara ko ba abatwero asekeri bunanigo eserikali herigete go chakobwato kachibesa se amatukari bosi obunenchire mu chakwa nikyo chakwa gukwa gachwa kwe University eyo asekinsemecho cha Kyabonyoru asebunge ya North Mugirango.
Tuno murusi wekatocha ili kutana kwa abantu wetu. It's just as simple as that. And tuanze safari hiyo and very sure no moyo na kutumika ili tuone 2002 ekerumu murusi atendamo akarwane murusi totige ibitebi abantu bansi gutochaye Basari to was next week on Monday. On Monday, tutaanza kupatiana, and we will give to Form 3s, Form 2s, and Form 4s. Kila wana ya kuwa 2 months. Tumakurwa third years, I think third years and 4th years are going to do it. So we are going to open up our offices just week. And to give about 14 days to make sure that we get those issue to pass. When we still want money university, we go to the university na konyara wakora. Na ende na iwete barua chietekia ikonge. That was yesterday but one. But I want to assure you, kuna getonkeyo kaya the university was established as a county to Namira. Echelechi ndoto mwaka ngarama wande moske wenge deputy yae na niswa ndoto ndoto asigencho very sure we will make sure that the pledge which was made by His Excellency the President, University of 500 million tuchinyora tutaraji okoro mwako this financial year. Before the end of the year, tunalo tuanze university.